And Claire, what did you do today?
I wasn't in the animal store.
Where? Where were you?
I was at my school and I wasn't in the animal store.
And what's your teacher's name? Look here, please. Look here. What's your teacher's name?
Miss B. Ellen and Miss B. Kada.
Oh, very nice. And what did you find there? What types of toys did they have?
Had boys and girls.
Did you make any friends today?
Yeah.
And what was their name?
The teacher's name is my friend.
Teacher's your friend? Okay. And did you see any dress-up clothes there?
Yeah, but not for big girls, but then not for babies.
Lots for babies?
No.
No, nothing for babies?
For big girls, though.
Okay. Great.
And a backpack.
Look here, Claire.
And Avery, let's take a walk. Bye.
Bye.